These are my new hair cutting scissors. Just came today. Excited. All the way from Ireland, I think. That's where they're made. He got a bracelet or something like that. Comes with them. Little strap. Not quite sure. A lanyard, I guess. Oh, maybe to put the scissors on? No, I don't know. Because could be. That'd be interesting. And a nice little case with them. Okay. See what we got here. Nice little case for them. There's the scissors, and it comes with some oil to inject in there. And see what else we got here. This looks like a little tool for tightening up, since there's two little notches right there. So you can see that's the tool to do a tightening on there. Not sure why there's, I guess, when one wears out, you go to the next one, because they look like they may be different sizes. Yeah, I think they're different sizes. Must be for different scissors. Bigger ones may have bigger ones, wider, bigger nuts or something on there. So probably a multi-tool. That, and some piece of leather. For stropping them? I know. Stropping leather? I don't know. Why would they... I don't know why the leather's in there. Let's see here. Business card. Thank you for your purchase. Quarteredsteels.com. Pretty neat. Because that's to make it its quality. If it has genuine leather it comes with. I don't know. I'll have to look, ask them in an email and say, why is there a piece of leather in here? Okay, let's see what these are like here. A little snap. So I think these are 5.5 inch or something like that. So they already have a little bit of oil on them, glistening. They seem kind of loose. Let's put them in the right hand here. Ooh. Nice little rounded place for a little finger to go. So you can fold them in, do what you need to do, brush, and flip them out again. Obviously not very talented. Let's see here. Or you can do it this way. Yeah, use this finger. Cut with, and then you can go in and grab some stuff, bring them out. So it looks like they have a little plastic liner on the inside there. It's kind of nice. Give a little bit more grip. A little stopper there. So it's a very fancy little place to put your finger. Nice rounded, curved there, not just straight, but anyway, it's supposed to be 440C stainless steel. These are FAA 60s. Very quiet. So we'll see how they cut. So I just tried them out on my hair, and they work extremely well, even at they don't even have to be tightened. They just like cut right through it. Then I tried the edge here, and it just feels like a razor sharp knife. It's just extremely sharp. Very impressed with them. And being so quiet, you don't hear this sound that you normally hear. It's just absolutely quiet. I can't, if you do it carefully, you can't hear them at all when they close. Yet they cut perfectly well. Apparently there's a little bit of micro serration on these or something like that, so that it grabs the hair slightly, but it's amazing. Yeah, very good. Very impressed. Always wanted a good pair of hair cutting scissors, always kind of fighting with them, trying to find a good pair. So anyway, if you're looking for a nice pair, these corded steel ones, very good. So I highly recommend them. We'll have to have a follow-up video here to see how they actually perform when I actually need to cut more of my hair, but I think they, for my preliminary testing, they seem to cut extremely well. So anyway, that's all I had for you today. Bye bye.